A path to stretching and extending their record in the MTN 8 as they come up against a team that has given them trouble in recent times. It's Sekhukhune United versus Orlando Pirates. It's a semi-final time in the MTN 8. Wow, for the quest for the last man standing continues. It's a very good afternoon to you from the Peter Mokaba Stadium here in Polokwane on a blazing hot afternoon. A beautiful day for football, if only slightly on the hot side. But the surface looks great. There's a great vibe in the stadium. We're expecting a full house in the stadium that's got a bit of a park feel. So there are seat stretch. He goes from a set piece, well taken, but not controlled there by Brighton Clovo. Just one goal from Trim. Look at the hard work from Putuma, winning the ball high up. Could be a chance here early on. Yep, quarter in possession there. Early warning. That's what they do. So such hard work up front is what Putuma will keep the defenders honest. Pirates looking to defend this title for a fourth. That day is amongst those injury casualties.
What a goal that was, taken on the volley from an acute angle. No chance for the goalkeeper to save that one.
Like the Limpopo derby against Polokwane City, it's a match they could have won by an even bigger margin. So dominant.
Lovely condition.
It's very green as well for this time of the year. By the way, we are out here because the next door, the and a beautiful turn, top of the shot. The referee sees nothing wrong with the challenge, and now he's going to bring them back. Beautiful drop of the shoulder there from Marcelo. Qualification in his tournament back in 2023, and Pirates thrashed them by 5-0 that day, with Zakele Lepasa getting a Dion Hotto going to the back post, but I think he's overcooked this one. It's going to go out for a throw-in for Sekhukhune United. By Mokwena.
That was quite funny that he gave it to against Sekhukhune, because we see clearly.
Come next week.
Yeah, not only for the two legs, but definitely for this weather conditions. Have to brace yourself.
But priority would also be not to collision there, awkward collision there between Dion Otto and Matimbe, who is booked.
It definitely looks like.
I've seen it in quite a while. Deep there, this one just a little bit too deep again, going over the head of Ndlovu. Centre back converted into get a chance to run with the ball here. I'm talking about the likes of Mujela, Ramala and Mokwena. This was a similar record for Pirates as well in their opening 8 games. In fact, the Pirates did lose early on, I beg your pardon. They lost to Sekhukhune in their first home match of the season. It's a beautiful shape on that one there from Tapelo Mukubudi. Siema popping up on the far side with Space, I think it was, and ended up getting his head onto it. It's not Space. Offside, it just had gone too early. Just gone too early. Lisonolo Mujela.
This is a brilliant turn here from Ramala on a burst of speed to start your tenure at your new team.
20 minutes gone here at Peter Mokaba Stadium. So you just saw the attempt on goal there. How they managed to keep possession here. The Kampani Lungo there. Kopeta Wild on that one. Lungo, 2 goals already in his 4 appearances for Pirates. The wall as you watch things. It's a Paulus. Maybe Telesi has probably seen all his tricks in training before.
Probably. They've done extremely well too, as well as attackers.
Sbilivili, when he was out at TS Galaxy, actually was started off as a right winger, and then due to injuries, Pirates. Lungu's ball straight into the defender there, Keze. In, could fall for Hotto, but trying to cushion it down for Polis. So good move there, Pirates, sharing the ball nicely. Then Lungu still got it here, Muchela. Yeah, just surrounded by maybe too many black jerseys to get past. Good work, good recovery from Gosnati Spacey, the skipper. Muchela Munyai being injured, and then Ibrahim Seidat, and that's what led to the conversion of those two players. Only 2 goal attempts from the home side. Lungu complaining that this guy's has been having a field day on me there. Ramala! It was from that sort of range that he scored against Amazulu. Paramala. He's got power in that, holding up the ball and bringing in his support attackers. He's done a good job with his back to goal. And you know he won't stop. He will work his socks off. Fancy Hotto. It is Hotto! Melusi Butelis, he dives spectacularly and claims that one. May have been going wide, but now Hotto! Right on cue! Just as I asked, can they find the opener? Dion Hotto delivers. Scores his first in this season's MTN 8, his 6th overall, and what a time to get it. Superb strike and a well-worked move. Telezi completely beaten by the pace of that shot, Standard Fredericks.
Yeah, it was a well-timed run from Dion Hotto, and a screamer had left Butanezi.
It's not a good ball at all. No one there. I'm not sure who that was intended for. Still Sbilivili. Still Sbilivili, but that left foot, as someone described it, is more for getting off the bus.